Okay, so we are getting in the part of the project where you used to feel like, you know what, let's just change the project, let's not continue this. But I'll do my best to not disappoint you. Uh, let's try to finish this. In a way of procrastination, let's try to make some UVs inside Unreal. So what I'm gonna do is create a polygroup. I'm in my modeling tools. So if I go to my modeling tools, I can do my polygroups or go to my UVs and select my polygroups, and I will select based on phase normal deviation. If I put this like, I don't know, 200, you will see that I have one polygroup for all these areas because of the angle that this thing has. But if I put like one, I have like very sharp edges have their own polygroup. So that's the first thing. And then I'm gonna do a group unwrap. And you can see my UVs are way much better. I can even like scale my UVs if I don't want to see them so big, something like that. Maybe like 3, whatever. And you just can put like minimum stretch, X, or conformal. Try to play with it. And if you want to take a look at how it looks like, let's just go to UV layout. You can see my UVs here. These ones are my UVs. Let's check this one, and then UV layout. And you can repack. Like, you can see I have my other islands here like that, or you can transform. For example, I can transform the scale by 2, 0.1, something like that, very small, or by 1. And I can even rotate, something like this. But, I mean, that's not really an issue here. But if you want to check it, that's okay. Like for us, let's just accept. Let's do the same here. Remember, we're procrastinating in a healthy way. So let's do the group unwrap. You have it the same here. Beautiful. And actually, you can, I think you can rotate this. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. Now everything is aligned perfectly. Who would imagine? Can do the same here. Actually, this one's perfect, so it's like great. Can do the same here. Look at this ugly thing. Go to polygroups. Maybe put like 30. Yeah, 30 looks good. Then group unwrap. Beautiful. Look at this. It's so good. So good. Please don't crash. Okay, let's do the same here. Group unwrap. I don't have no groups, so let's group unwrap again. Beautiful. Min stretch. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Okay. And all the textile density is different. So, you know, just bear with it. But I mean, it's a good way to make our UVs, like polygroups, group unwrap. Beautiful. Please don't crash. Okay, let's save this. I don't remember why I have my distance fields mesh on, but you know, it's already there. So group unwrap. You know, this can also be done in Max, but I mean, there's so many tools inside Unreal that you could use that there's no reason not to use them, really. Let's try to find another one here, like XPMAL, Confrontal. I don't know about this one, but maybe no, not this one. What about we try the Auto Unwrap? Terrible result, I guess. Normalize the world. Terrible result. UV projection. Actually, this doesn't work so bad. So if you do something like this, yeah, something like that, and then actually this works very well. Very well. So let's just accept. And if the UVs are too big or too small, we'll know later when you apply the texture. So don't worry about it. Can do a UV projection again. Look at that. Let's try to make something like this. Yeah. So what we try to do is to make it look as square as possible. So yes, just like that. This one feels good enough. All right, let's go for this one. Look at this one. It's gonna be a little harder. Let's see. Okay, so there you go. What about the z-axis? Z-axis looks good. May want to do something like this for this one. Beautiful. Look at this one. Let's see. Let's challenge the modeling tools if they can make it on this one. UV projection, and let's find the cylinder. All right. So let's see how good or how bad this is. I've seen better. Let's just keep it for now, and let's see how the Polygroups Unwrap is doing. Let's just bite like 60, something like that, and then let's do the group Unwrap. Oh my god, this is comfortable. UV scale like 1. This is amazing. UV scale 0.1. Okay, not good. Let's just skip this one. What else we need to unwrap this ugly thing here? I just remember something. I just remember something that is very important. If we modify the mesh, the UVs will be lost. So, yeah, my bad. I'm sorry. But I mean, this is a really cool way. I wanted to show you how cool this is. Like, you can literally add materials here, change the, if I can go to my, let's go to our materials here, mega scans. Let's try to find a material instance here. Let's find a brick. Okay, maybe this one. You can put it here. Okay, well, you can see how it looks like. Actually, this is very close to our reference, but this break is a little bit too big. So what we're gonna do is to go to our transform UVs, check this one, and let's keep the original. What we're gonna do is to transform like this. Yeah, look at that. So nice, so nice. I mean, you can clearly see how you can use mega scans and this thing to really wrap it up. I mean, it's just amazing. It's amazing, and you can do the same here for the other surfaces. Let's try to find another material here. Perhaps one of these blended materials here. You can put it here just to try. Not really. Hey, how about this one? No. How about the test material? Look at that. Not really working, but whatever. So you check the UVs here, you can transform. Let's rotate it. Look at that. And you can scale it up. Rotate a little bit. Make sure they're right. Okay. Look at this. This is so good, actually. So nice to be able to just change things on the fly and use the materials we have to actually can paint here. Like, can paint some default material. I don't know why would you do that, but it's great. It's great you can do that. It's great that you can just paint and then crash, which this means this is the end for us in this video. I hope you like it. Please subscribe and like this video, share it with your friends if you think this is useful, and let us know in the comments which kind of video you would like to watch, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.